Hello again. So today I transplant some and I need to put some more 55 gallons. But today I'm going to show you how to cut the top of the 55 gallon that the tools that you need. Okay, so I'm going to show you, I don't know how this whole thing worked too much. I just know how to use it a little bit. Okay, and if you want to go detail, I'll just have somebody explain it to you. So I'm gonna bring you a bit closer. So I got a 55 gallon here, and I'm gonna bring you closer. Okay, so what I have is what I need. I think this is called Jigsaw, and this is called the drill bits. So I guess the first thing you need to do is putting a hole in this jigsaw. I have a power cord here because I don't have a cordless. So first, I'm gonna poke a hole. Okay, one hole. And then I'm gonna do another here. Okay, you have to be careful when you're using the power cord. So I'm gonna switch this off. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the jigsaw because I need this today. So I'm gonna plug it. This jigsaw was giving it to me. So don't ask me how this whole thing works. I just know how to use it. So here we go. Okay, can you see? Okay, so with my hole, I'm gonna put this thing inside my hole. And the most important thing is this thing have to be level with this. Okay, let's go closer. Okay, here we go. Okay, just have to be very, very careful. And I like this to sit on here, so it kind of go around the top of my 55 gallon barrel. Okay, can you So then I take my time. I do it very, very slow because I don't want to get hurt. Okay, so right on the top, this needs to be clean, but this jigsaw is very sharp here, the edge here. So I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit so I won't cut myself when I put in. Okay, here we go. So I kind of lean it like this a little bit. Now any anybody can tell me to do this better way, let me know. And don't ask me how to do this thing right here. I just know how to use it. And the most important thing, because I don't want this to bounce back, I level myself on top of here and kind of this, I let this guide me. Go. Okay, I think it's done. It's a little sharp here at the edge, but I think maybe I can get a sharper knife. All right, so it's done. That's how you cut the top of the Okay, this is extra footage for better lighting, so you can see better. Okay, here's my hole. Okay, so go. Okay. Extra here, so I'm gonna lean it like this, use this as my guide. angle. Okay, so I still have some that are sharp. So I don't know. I'm gonna figure out how to do this. Let's see. There you go. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to use a knife to cut it because the edge is sharp. Maybe I need to change this blade. I don't know. Okay. uh, 55-gallon barrels. Now, if you look behind me, I got two right there. Today is the last day I am going to finish up my root-bound water lotus. So I need two more 55-gallon barrels. And then my brother-in-law, he happened to give this to me. I just know how to use it. I don't know anything else. So any advice, any suggestion, anything how to use that power tool, please let me know. Very amateur, very in power knowing how to use this thing. I've been watching him doing enough that I figure kind of know how to do it myself. Well, thank you. Please comments. I welcome any comments. I welcome any suggestion that you have. Okay, bye. See you next time.